Once upon a time in the delightful and whimsical world of Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, a new invention was cooking up a sweet surprise in the secret labs beneath the bubbling chocolate rivers. Willy Wonka, the zaniest chocolatier known to mankind, had a marvelously peculiar idea, a chocolate bar that could whisk you away to any time period with just a single bite. The Time-Travel Choco-Bar was born, and its magical swirl wrapper shone in every shade of the rainbow, daring anyone to taste its mysteries. Charlie Bucket, the luckiest boy in the world, was once again invited to try the newest of Wonka's inventions. This time, he got to bring along his school friends, Adventurous Ellie, Clever Sam, and Curious Lucy. Their eyes widened with wonder and tingled with anticipation as they each took a square of the magical chocolate bar. With a single nibble, they were swept off their feet and tumbled through the swirling vortex of time, their laughter echoing in the candy-coated time tunnel. Poof! They landed right in the middle of an ancient candy market, where sugared delights glistened under the golden sun and merchants shouted animatedly about their honeyed wares. Licorice ropes were traded for bubblegum marbles, and sugar sculptures towered above them as they marveled at sweets that history had long forgotten. The magic of the chocolate bar carried them forward to the dazzling future, where skyscrapers of peppermint stuck out of clouds of fairy floss. Robots wheeled around delivering steaming cups of hot cocoa that changed flavors with every sip, and jelly bean gardens were moistened with sparkling soda rain. But not everything was as delightful as it seemed. Among the group was a not-so-nice boy named Timmy, who had secretly swiped an extra piece from Willy's lab. Timmy thought he could change history to his favor, perhaps to make himself the king of candy or the supreme chocolatier. So, while no one was watching, he took a bite and zoomed off to the past alone, determined to write his name in sugary legends. Sensing something was wrong, Charlie and his friends rushed to find Timmy, using their chocolate pieces to follow him back in time. They arrived just in time to catch him trying to hoard all the chocolate secrets of the ages. But meddling with time is a dangerous thing, for with Timmy's changing of past confectionery deals, present-day candy was beginning to fade and crumble into history's fog.